Next up is the Astell Kern XB10 Bluetooth amplifier. Now again, it's a bit of a mouthful to even say this entire thing, but let me explain to you what you're really doing. So these are actually Bluetooth enabled. What will happen is you'll connect these to your phone. And these have got all the stuff within it, including the amplification. You connect your headphone to these and then listen to the music.
Yes, the removal of headphone jacks has caused trouble. It sacrifices quality and also makes you pay a lot more for getting similar sound with a pair of Bluetooth earbuds or headphones. But what we have today can solve a part of this problem. It can make your old but great sounding earbuds useful again. This is the Astell Kern XB10 Bluetooth amplifier. Let us tell you how it works. So everything starts with switching on the XB10. Pressing and holding the pairing button puts the XB10 in pairing mode and one can connect their smartphone to it. After that, a pair of headphones can be plugged into the amplifier. And there, all of the old headphones and earphones became useful with a smartphone again. And as can be easily seen from all the visuals, the XB10 is small and it weighs nothing. It can be easily packed away into your pocket. On top, it has an angular design that separates the circular amp into different quadrants which act as different buttons. 4 to be precise. A button to play or pause tracks, a button to increase volume, a button to decrease it, and the last is the one that puts the amp into pairing mode. On the bottom, the user can place a metal clip useful for clipping the amp to a pocket or inside the bag where otherwise it could be lost easily. On the sides is a switch and 2 buttons. The switch is used to power the amp on when flipped to the right and held. When it's flicked left, it disables the buttons to avoid accidental presses while the amp is in the user's pocket. The 2 buttons help in going to the next or the previous track. And beside the switch is a 3.5mm audio jack for earphones and headphones along with a micro USB port for charging. Even though launched a while ago, the micro USB has not been the standard for a long time. Well, the attempt to move on from the lack of a USB-C port is made easier by the sound capabilities of the XB10. Using a pair of great in-ear monitors or headphones, and the XB10 can make the music sound great with Bluetooth. Even though it only supports the aptX HD codec, which is only slightly better with quality, the music sounds great with a great pair of earbuds. We tested the XB10 with the KZZ-SN Pro X, a pair of in-ear monitors reviewed last week, and the sound was fantastic, even though not as fantastic as it could be if the earphones had a headphone jack to plug into on the phone. The details are clear and well defined, the bass is deep and punchy, the treble is significant, and the vocals are clean. The instrument separation is also handled well. So the sound is great, the size is great, the features are useful, but what misses the mark is the battery as it only lasts for 5 hours. This means it needs to be charged every day with the micro USB port. The Astell Kern XB10 is still a very important accessory, especially for everyone still wanting to reach out for their wired earbuds and headphones. And on top of the great sound quality, they also add the convenience of the lack of a wire going into the phone. And for everything it offers, it costs 5,999 rupees. It is a premium price, and yet even if we combine the price with a pair of budget in-ear monitors, the price to sound quality ratio will still be higher than many of the other TWS priced equal to it or slightly higher.